everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout for you. And today I'm showing how you can use ephemera, boarding passes in particular, on a layout to document a trip. So I'm going to start with that multi-icon paper, which is from Echo Park Go See Explore. It's the World Traveler paper. And then I'm going to top this with that green paper, which is Echo Park Go See Explore, the You Are My World paper. And so I love that bottom paper, but it's so busy that I needed something to kind of help moderate it a little bit. And I think this really is successful. So originally I was thinking about putting the boarding passes on top and decided to really put them on the bottom instead. So I have that postcard cut apart, which is from the Echo Park Go See Explore collection, the You Got a Postcard. And then I was kind of playing around with the suitcases there. So, and back again, thinking about maybe putting those all together there again and going, no, that doesn't work. So then I have this border sticker from the Go See Explore collection. It's the Element sticker sheet. I needed a border between the two pieces. It just was a little too, it was too jarring, that space between the two. So now kind of looking at what could I do to pull this postcard together, and now that bottom piece really comes together in my mind, that I put the boarding passes on the bottom and then that the sticker or the postcard on the top, and then the suitcase stickers are coming in. I'm sticking them to the postcard, not to the back yet, because I'm not sure if this is going to work with the background paper or not. And that picture was just a little bit too tall, so there was really nothing behind me that was important. So I just chopped it up because this was very, very early in the morning before I headed to Florida about a month ago, and just sent this to my boyfriend to say good morning and goodbye. Just a little picture for him. But I also like to kind of document when I'm going on vacation right now, because it's different. It's not the same as it used to be. And then more ephemera here. I'm adding that travel notes sticker. And I did staple together all 3 boarding passes there, just with regular stickers. And then this is a very old sheet of Heidi Swapp acetate stickers from the early 2000s, in all seriousness, and that says Journey. And I thought that was the perfect bridge between the 2 stickers there. I needed something. And here's the other piece of ephemera. This is my my little bag collection ticket, just in case you would lose your bags. Thank goodness I didn't and didn't have to use that. So playing around with that Journey again to see maybe could I put it somewhere else? Is that thinking about the bottom? It's just not feeling right on the top yet. And so then I added in the bottom to kind of use up that space there. Then I decided the boarding passes were looking kind of boring. So I went back to the Element sticker sheet from Go See Explore, and I found this green arrow there. And then as I was looking, I found that geotag, that red geotag, and I liked how that added a little bit of color up at the top. And then there is a pack your bags kind of flag there that I'm using to sort of round out that collection, or that of embellishments on the left side. And then I really look and go, oh, well, that Journey sticker would perfectly border this now, and I add that in. And I had pulled these wood veneer planes out they're from Studio Calico before I started, because I knew I wanted to use some of these since I was going on a plane. And I was having a major hard time here with my Scotch quick dry adhesive. I took care of that later on. It's fine now, but I had to play a little bit with that nozzle. So I'm just using little pieces of my my ATG tape here. to add the plane. So I'll add 3 planes on here. One of the things that I didn't get on here until after I was putting stuff away, I found a red pack your bags flag, kind of like the one at the top in green. And I just added that to the bottom right underneath the plane and the sticker there. So that will be on the in the still shot and the detail shots. You'll be able to see that. But it was looking a little bit plain, and I wanted to bring some red down there, a little bit more color was my idea, because there's a lot of green, red, and blue, and yellow in here as well, or gold. So because I love to fly, because this was a picture for my boyfriend, I decided to add some hearts in here, and I found these green enamel hearts from Bella Boulevard, the Illustrated Faith Collection, and they're the I Love You mix enamel hearts. These are very old, though I don't know that they sell them anymore. They might. You might be able to get them now from Bella Boulevard, but I don't think Illustrated Faith and Bella Boulevard aren't associated with each other any longer. Not anything bad, just Stephanie took Bella Boulevard in a bit of a different direction after she got sick a couple of years ago. So then I'm adding in some navy enamel dots from Carta Bella. I don't remember which collection these are from. I had taken some of my enamel dots where I just had a few left and kind of put them together on a sheet. And that's where this is coming from. They're not really sprinkles. These are from Carta Bella. I just put them on a sheet where I only had a couple sprinkles left too. I'm using my colors much more efficiently this way, because I tend to think of colors in enamel dots. I don't usually mix colors with them. I tend to put all one color on a layout. So got those added in. There's the still shot with that extra sticker and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.